Bacon. Crispy, salty strips of heaven that make breakfast better. Butter. Rich, creamy spread that elevates every dish. Cereal, quick, crunchy breakfast favorite served with milk. Crackers, light, crunchy bites, perfect for snacking or pairing with cheese. Croissant, flaky, buttery pastry that's a morning delight. Hot sauce, spicy kick that adds fire to any meal. Bagel. Dense, chewy bread with a hole, often topped with cream cheese. Cheese, savory dairy delight, perfect on everything from sandwiches to pizzas. French toast. Sweet, egg-soaked bread, fried to perfection. Ketchup. Sweet and tangy tomato-based sauce, a must with fries. Milk. Creamy beverage. Essential for cereal and baking. Ice cream, cold, creamy treat that comes in endless flavors. Mayonnaise. Creamy condiment made from eggs and oil, perfect on sandwiches. Oatmeal. Warm, comforting breakfast made from rolled oats. Onion rings. Crispy, golden rings of fried onion perfection. Pancakes, fluffy, round breakfast cakes best served with syrup. Pitas, soft, round flatbreads, perfect for stuffing with fillings. Frozen custard. Rich, creamy frozen dessert, smoother than ice cream. Cream cheese. Smooth, spreadable cheese, perfect on bagels. Pretzels. Twisted, salty snacks, crunchy or soft. Thick burger, juicy, hearty burger with layers of flavor. Smetana. tangy, rich Eastern European sour cream. Soy sauce? Salty, umami-rich condiment essential in Asian cuisine. Yogurt. Creamy, tangy dairy product. Great for breakfast or snacks. Trail mix. Portable snack mix of nuts, dried fruit, and sometimes chocolate. Sour cream. Creamy, tangy topping, perfect for potatoes and dips. Grana cheese. Hard, crumbly cheese with a rich, savory flavor. Granola bars. Crunchy, sweet bars, perfect for on-the-go snacking. Popcorn. Light, airy snack often enjoyed during movies. Potato chips. Crispy, salty slices of fried potato bliss. Tuna steak. Thick, meaty cut of fish. Best served seared. Salad. Fresh, leafy greens often topped with veggies and dressing. Smoothie. Thick, blended drink made with fruit and yogurt or juice. Spaghetti. Long, thin pasta, often served with tomato sauce. Mozzarella. Soft, creamy cheese, perfect for melting on pizzas. Sushi. Japanese dish of vinegared rice with fish or vegetables. Sausage. Savory, seasoned meat encased in a skin, great grilled or fried. Snacks. Quick, bite-sized treats to satisfy hunger between meals. Rice. Staple grain served as a side or base for countless dishes. Pizza. Cheesy, saucy, baked flatbread, loved worldwide. Donuts. Sweet, fried dough rings, often glazed or filled. Taco. Mexican dish of folded tortilla filled with meat, cheese, and veggies. Steak. Juicy, grilled cut of beef. Best served medium rare. Pesto, flavorful sauce made from basil, garlic, nuts, and cheese. Noodle, versatile strands of dough, key in many Asian dishes. Quesadilla, grilled tortilla filled with melted cheese and other fillings. Patty, ground meat or veggie round, typically in burgers. Jam, sweet, fruity spread, perfect on toast. Muffin, soft, sweet, baked good, often with fruit or nuts. Kebab, grilled meat skewer, flavorful and satisfying. Hummus, creamy chickpea dip, often served with pita. Hamburger, juicy, grilled beef patty in a bun, an American classic. Ghee, clarified butter used in Indian cooking for a rich flavor. Egg, versatile protein powerhouse, perfect boiled, scrambled, or fried. Corn dog, hot dog coated in cornmeal batter and deep fried. Bread, staple food made from flour and yeast, perfect for sandwiches. Brownies, rich, chocolatey baked squares, dense and fudgy. Burrito, Mexican dish with a tortilla wrapped around savory fillings. Coffee, energizing brewed beverage made from roasted beans. Meat, protein-rich food, typically from animals, central to many dishes. Momos, steamed dumplings filled with savory meat or vegetables, a Himalayan street food favorite.